This one.
No. Okay. Can you go to see? You have to store this file where you are having 100 GB at least.
Okay. Okay, sir. It is 100 GB.
Okay, 100
Actually,
GB, but no. Can you go to so wherever no, it's 32 GB only free, right?
yes, sir.
So can you go to can you store it on E or F?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay,
Sure,
so
sir. I will.
sometime it will yeah. That is
Uh,
one thing. Okay,
okay, sir.
so where you have to have at least 80 to 100 GB free. Then
Okay.
only it will run because it will
Okay.
reach that memory. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Second
Sure, sir.
point is yeah. Can you go? Can you go to that? In desktop, see, problem is in desktop you have multiple files having you are having
Okay.
right,
Yes,
multiple
sir.
image files, some shortcuts and everything.
Yes, sir.
So desktop processing is very slow.
Okay, that's why my entire this was all the files are there. Okay.
Yeah, that's one point. Okay,
Okay.
next.
Okay.
So next, you can go to that CST file.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Just a copy.
yeah,
Sir.
yeah, that's all. You copied right,
Yes.
so you can just run Zmin Zmax that you can configure right. So can
Yes,
you
sir. It
configure
is.
this?
Zmax judgment it is automatically coming, sir.
No. Can you right click it? No, can you click on Zmax and zoom in?
Oh, okay, sir.
Right click properties. This distance you have to give distance to reference plane.
Yes, sir. Actually, I'm giving that also. Uh, that is, I will calculate, sir. 10 point. 1 second, sir.
Yeah. Don't call me sir and all. You can call
No,
me whatever.
no.
No
I,
problem. See, nothing.
5 point.
So I know few things that I'm sharing. That's all. Nothing else.
Okay, sir. And details,
Yeah. Okay.
frequency.
5.335. Huh?
Yes,
Yeah. Which frequency you want? Yeah, 14 gigahertz.
yes, sir. 14.
So what is the size of the unit cell?
Lambda by 2, sir.
What is the value exactly?
That is 10.711, sir.
Sound one. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Just your design, sir. Just I am.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir. One second.
Yeah.
Next,
Can
okay.
you show that click on Zmax admin? Now it will show actually. This also you can configure. Yes. I think Zmin is not required. Zmin we can place it to near to the. Okay. Fine. No problem.
Uh,
Yeah. So the thing is, see,
sir.
how it calculate is Zmax Zmin the outer port is there right? That is the excitation port. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
then what you will do, you will calculate the reflection phase at the just above the surface.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, so that is
Okay.
what we are giving as a lambda by 4 distance to
Yes, sir.
reference plane is just above the unit cell. They will capture this reflection phase or magnitude or anything. That's
Okay.
what they do, because
Okay.
once it comes back, then it will mix up with the incident signal and other things, right? That's why
Yes,
they are
sir.
doing that itself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Next is that done. Okay. Now you have to just simulate for once. Then you can do you know
Again, okay, sir. I will simulating.
because then only we can get that reflection phase and all.
Yes, sir.
Then we can define the post processing.
Yes, sir.
So adaptive mesh refining you have removed, right?
Yes, sir. Actually, I removed updating, creating. Once again, I will verify, sir. And I will verify, sir. Once again.
No problem. See, it's done. Okay. See that we can do. Yeah, it is there. Okay. Applying. Mesh type, you can
Mistake.
tetrahedral. Okay.
Hexagon. Okay, sir.
Tetrahedral is fine. Actually, that
Okay.
is the type of meshing actually. So one more
Okay.
thing, actually, you have to put minus 5.3 because you can see that distance reference plane is going out. then you will not get the answer.
Okay.
Yeah. Apply, click apply, close it. Okay, close it.
And
It should come inside. Okay, you have to give minus.
okay, Z. Okay.
It is going out, right? So then you
Yes.
will not get a correct answer.
Okay. Z max and Z minimum also,
Okay,
sir.
give
Okay.
okay. Also, yeah. Okay, can you click on that? Can you see that Zmin?
Yes, sir. Uh, Sir, this is Z direction. This is Z max. Yes, sir. And this
Yeah,
is Z
yeah. Now
minimum.
you can see that
Yes, sir.
cross mark, no, it will be
Yes, sir.
just above the unit cell. Yeah, that's
Oh,
what.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Just above the unit, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes,
This is
sir.
we have to ensure. Okay,
Okay.
that is one
Sir,
point.
okay. And one more
Yeah, what
thing, sir.
happened?
In generally in ground plane, we will decide that boundary was perfect electric conductor like that. Here it is not
Correct,
required, sir.
correct.
That option is not available, sir.
No, no. Can you go to boundary condition?
Boundary.
Okay, here you are giving open art space, right?
Yes, sir.
Open. No, no, no. Here you can give perfect electric. Yeah.
Z
No,
min.
Zmin. Yeah,
Yes,
Zmin.
sir. That
Zmin.
means perfect electric. Just I
Yeah, yeah.
copied, sir. That's why I forget all
Okay, okay.
structure.
That's it. That's it. Okay.
No require for perfect electric under all those things, sir.
No, no. Zmin only required. See, that is a anyway ground plane, right?
Okay.
So no need for only with this one. Yeah, that's all. That's
Okay.
all.
Okay.
Okay, okay. That's all.
Okay.
Now it will
Okay.
be only one port.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Now.
Now you can see. See, it will save simulation time also,
Okay.
because you have if you set two boundaries, right? It will
Yes, sir.
calculate for both the area. So lambda by 4, then meshing, everything is there. So
Okay.
yeah, can you simulate now? Just to please give simulation. If you are doing any FSS kind of thing, then you can you choose Zmax and Zmin. Okay, because you
Okay.
have to measure the S21 also, right? That's
Okay,
all.
sir.
Okay, hexadral it's not supported. It seems. Can you
Okay.
check that message for unit cell simulation? Hexadral, I think it does not support. Can you go to messages
Yes,
on the
sir.
left?
Yes, sir.
No, 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 left. Yeah, here. Can you go up? Tetrahedral. Okay, Floquet port will support only with the tetrahedral. Okay.
Okay. I changed it, sir.
Last emitter as they will be treated as PEC and tetrahedral mesh. Can you come down? Can you slightly come down?
Yes, sir. That's over, sir. Sample 3. This is the last message.
Mhm. Can you come down still?
No, sir. This is the last one.
No, no, no. There was one message was there. Floquet port.
So second one is the flicker. This one, sir. The frequency domain.
Okay. Okay. Okay, you can use tetrahedral itself. I think somewhere I saw that Floquet ports
Okay.
does not because okay, we can use the tetrahedral itself. Okay.
Okay. Can I
No
cancel
problem.
it,
No,
sir?
no, 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 no problem. Now it can run. Let it run. Okay.
Okay.
Can you
Okay.
go to 1D results?
That's all.
Yeah. Oh, still running. Okay.
Yes, sir. Still
Okay.
running.
Now you can abort this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now the results are come. Okay.
Okay,
That's
sir.
all.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So now we see how much fast it is.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Previously, I am 3 hours, 4 hours. I am spending. I am not getting. It's going on.
Okay. Okay.
Now, what is I mean? What is my mistake, sir? Actually, I cannot understand.
Nothing. Nothing. See, one thing is you have chosen two ports, right?
Yes, sir.
Zmin, Zmax.
Yes,
So
sir.
Zmax, Zmin also it will take some message for storage.
Okay.
Second point is that you have to store this file in where you are having at least 50 to 70 GB, 70 to 100 GB.
Okay,
That you
sir.
have to start. Always you store the, remember that always you store the file in E or D drive, because
Okay. Okay.
C drive, many softwares are running, it will consume a lot of space during runtime.
Okay.
So that's why
Okay, sir.
it is better to have there. Okay, that is one
Okay.
point. Second
Okay.
point is that you can use tetrahedral now. Okay, so no
Okay,
problem.
sir.
Okay,
Okay,
adapt to
sir.
mesh refinement you have to remove, and yeah, nothing else. Yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have some doubts on your paper, sir.
Okay.
Uh, so here you are taking 3 and 0.508 sir.
Correct. Correct.
Based on which factor, sir? This air
No,
gap
no,
is
3 is air gap. Okay,
air
there
gap.
I
Yes,
air gap. Okay, and
air
for
gap.
point, yeah, 0.508 is the Arlan substrate. Okay,
Yes, sir. Uh,
so 3
so
Oh, sorry, I did not mention that. Okay, so see what I did is I used butter sheet, or this one is there, right?
okay,
Foam paper that I put.
okay,
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 the above which I placed that substrate, and that in that substrate only these elements were printed. Okay,
okay.
yeah.
Uh, what is my doubt? Why this dimension is 3 0.508 like that, sir? Based on
Yeah,
can I
see, the
lambda
thing
by
is,
4?
one thing is, straightforward answer is 0.508. Why I have chosen is that because my concern was cost. Okay, so we
Okay,
did not have enough funding. So what we did is, so we have, in order to manage within that funding, we
okay,
chosen that 0.508 because
okay,
that
okay,
Arlan substrate. Second
okay.
point is that 3 why I went is, so that is there is another paper of mine, and
Okay.
there I have presented this result.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Same thing, same result.
yeah.
Same.
I don't know. Can you go down or up?
This is also.
Here, yeah, down, down, yeah, down. Here you can see. No. Here you can see first result, right? So
Okay,
foam thickness, no, I varied from 1 to 5 Okay.
okay,
So then I found that 3 only it is giving smooth response. Okay.
okay,
You can see that
okay,
pink color.
okay.
It is smooth,
Yes, sir. Yes,
smooth
sir.
response. So
Yes,
that's
sir.
why I chosen that 3
Okay, okay. So
So for
actually,
this paper, I bought that butter sheet and all. Then I
okay,
wanted to reuse that same thing for other elements also. So that's
okay.
why I used 3 for other elements also.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. And actually, I think like we are taking unit size was lambda by 2, and the distance between the unit cells are also lambda by 2. Like that, we will take that form
No.
size as
Distance to
lambda,
unit cell is lambda by 4, 90
lambda,
degree. Okay,
lambda
lambda
by
by
4.
4. Yes.
Sir, if I taking lambda by 4, they are merging. How can
Oh,
I? Okay, I will show later, sir. Okay, I will ask
sorry,
that.
sorry.
Whenever I'm taking distance was lambda by 4, that cells are not arranged properly, sir.
No, I'm telling distance to reference plane only. Nothing else.
Okay. Okay. One plane to one unit cell to another unit cell. Or
Yeah.
center point.
No. Center point to center point is a lambda by 2.
Sir, here see this structure, sir. Just I am arranging array task like that. So here
Okay.
the spacing in X and spacing in Y is there, sir.
No, where you are showing? Can you show me?
Here, sir. Now it is visible, sir. My screen is visible.
It is visible, but I am only seeing that S1 on now it's visible. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
okay, sir.
yeah.
So here I am creating, let us suppose 4 by 4 array, sir. Spacing in
Okay,
X, spacing in Y. It is automatically showing lambda by 2.
okay.
If I change
Correct.
this, yes, sir.
No, lambda by 2 only. Correct.
Okay.
Because the unit cell size is lambda by 2, right?
Yes,
Same thing
sir.
it will be. Yeah,
Okay, same thing. Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
So one more thing, what your doubt is, it will overlap with the other. That's what is your right doubt?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If I am taking,
So no. Thing is, see, all the elements unit cells are not same size, right? One may be 5.8, one may be 7.1, one may be 10.1. So it will not overlap. It will never overlap. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. See, the according to phase, if you calculate,
Oh,
then it will, so unit cell somewhere it will come 5.2, somewhere it will come like that. But you spacing is same, but the
okay.
unit cell size I am saying about this size, that
Okay.
normal shape is there, right? This shape.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
that shape. I know this size will not be exactly lambda by 2. So it will
Okay.
be 5.1, 5.2, 8.1, 7.1 like that. It will vary. So it will
Okay.
never overlap. So unit cell size only we have to give repeat.
Okay. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, okay. And one thing, sir, suppose from unit cell point of view, suppose if I am getting phase 20 degrees like this structure, if I want to 30 degrees, then this size will be changes. Can I change only this patch size or entire unit cell size, sir?
Sorry.
If we are changing the phase, means only
Hmm.
patch size is changing. It
Yes,
doesn't.
yes, yes, yes. No unit cell size. Only
If you
patch
only,
size changes. Yes,
yes, we are only changing the patch size.
yes, exactly. We are
Okay.
plotting the size. Plot also as per patch size only, not the unit cell size. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Sir, I think it is completed.
Okay.
Yes, 16 gigahertz, 12 to 16. Mm, so, post processing resultant gigahertz, 0 mean value S1Z1 max phase uh, tables 0D. And now it is coming like this, sir.
Which
Again.
which one you are showing? Because I'm not seeing that.
Uh, Sorry, sir. So here I completed the simulation, sir.
Okay.
After completion of simulation, I'm going to result templates.
Okay.
Uh,
Yeah.
I'm going.
1D general 1D 1D. Yeah. Here you have to give y at given x.
Yes, sir. Sorry. 0D. Main folder phase at given x. Okay. I'm going to tables. Sir, here it is coming like this.
1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah. And can you click on that?
Yes, sir. I clicked on this, sir.
No. 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 0D 1D. Yeah. Yeah. That one. Yeah. Y at given x.
Sorry, sir. I am already completed, sir. Can I
Okay.
go to the
Can you do it again? Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Y at given x. Here you
Yes.
have to give frequency.
Oh,
Y at given x. Can you
yes,
select
sir.
y at given x?
Yes, sir.
You have to
Selected.
give frequency. Oh, okay. I'm seeing the other window. And
Yes.
here also magnitude of phase, whichever you want, you can select. Okay.
S11, SZ max one, max one.
Yes. Yes. Correct.
Phase. Sir, evaluate X 14, I think,
Yeah.
frequency.
Yeah. That's okay. See, this will be only evaluating for a current parameter. Okay.
Okay.
That when you run the simulation for all the parameter, right? Like all
Okay.
the values, then it will
Okay.
calculate one by one and plot it. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So here I keep
Yes.
evaluate 0.
Yeah. Evaluate. If you evaluate also, it will do it for current one. Okay. So
Okay.
you have to during runtime, no, like when you simulate for various sizes, then it will
Okay.
plot accordingly. No problem. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So now okay, sir. I'm clicking. 1 second. Wait. Okay, sir.
Because
Here it
I'm
is.
not seeing that. I don't know. Maybe internet issue.
Okay.
That's okay. See, you can you can just.
This one, sir. It's coming like a dot, sir. I cannot understand that one.
Yeah, it will come like that. You see, the simulation is done for only one size, right? That is why it is showing only one. So what you
Okay.
have to do is, see, you have to run the simulation for different various sizes, okay, or
Okay.
element size. Then you will
Okay.
get the plot, okay. So
Okay.
you have to run the simulation first, okay, all the unit cell sizes. Then it will come, okay.
Sorry, sir, I'm not getting. So here for one shape, we are not getting that face.
No. You will not get see one parameter only. See one for one size only you have measured, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
that's why you are getting one value. Okay. So
Okay.
if you are varying the patch size from 2 to 10 for a
Okay.
instead of 1, for example,
O-
okay, 9
Okay.
values will come. It will plot here. Okay. That's
Okay.
why you have to run the parametric sweep. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay. How to do it, sir?
Parametric sweep. Can you go to
Yes,
simulation?
sir. Yes, sir. Parameter sweep.
Yeah. Here you have to define whichever parameter you want to do. Okay. For example, unit cell size, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Unit cell size is L, for example. Okay. L.
Okay.
Okay. Then L you vary from 2 to 10 like that. Okay.
Okay. Uh,
That's all.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can you please tell me that option, sir? Now it is a parameter. I am open parameter sweep, sir.
Okay.
Can I go to the new sequencer?
Yeah. New sequence.
New sequence. Okay.
Here, now you have not defined any parameter, right? So
Okay.
unit cell you have to design as a parameter. Okay. See, you have to keep one parameter L. Okay. The
Okay,
other
sir.
parameters, no, width, height, length, everything should be in terms of L. For
Okay,
example,
sir.
L by 2, L by
Okay.
4, like
Okay,
that.
sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then you can sweep the parameter, like parameter should do the parameter sweep as a L. Okay. L
Okay.
from 10 to say, 3 to 5, like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So now you design first, then you let me know, then we can have another call, and then I will tell you how to simulate. Okay.
So, sorry, sir. I cannot understand, sir. After simulation, this one again we are giving some range of values. Then we are not get we are getting that graph, or I can do
No,
something.
we will get that graph. What I'm saying is, see, the thing is, see, what I'm saying is, see, you have to design
Okay, sir.
unit cell, okay,
Okay. Okay, sir.
unit cell size, okay,
Okay.
unit
Okay.
cell that the plus kind of sign is there, right? That
Yes.
all the width, length, all the parameters, right? You have to define as a one parameter in terms of one parameter. For example, width is equal to width that width is equal to L by 4 and length is equal to L by 2, like
Yes, sir.
that. Okay, something
Okay.
like that. Okay.
Okay. Yes,
So
sir.
whatever parameter I have given, right? So if you are giving, for example, length is 5 mm, this
Okay.
one is width is 2.5 mm means. So
Yes, sir.
length you take it as a 5 L. Okay, L
Okay.
is
Yes.
equal to 5,
Okay,
and
sir.
width you divided by L by 3 or L by 2, whatever it may be. Okay.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
so all the parameter, no, it should be in terms of L. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Then what you can do, you can do the parametric sweep here. The name is there, right? Name.
Yes, sir.
It is showing pi. So if you define new parameter L, it will show here. Then you can put that L under linear sweep
Okay.
from linear sweep only. Okay,
Okay.
from 3 to 10, for example, 3 to
Okay.
10.
Okay.
Okay, then number of samples is there, right? In that, you can mention click on that. You can either mention number of samples or step width. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay.
0.1 mm you want, 0.2 mm you want, or 0.5
Okay.
mm you want. You
Okay.
can just police it. You start the simulation now. Okay, then
Okay.
you will get that plot. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Sir, sorry, sir. How to define that L, sir?
No, that's what. See, I'm saying. See, that you drawn this structure, right?
Yes, sir.
That structure, how do you drawn? You put all the values, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Right?
sir. Yes,
No,
sir.
no, 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 no. You have to define as a parameter. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir. I defined like a L parameter to drawing the structure and adding, subtracting.
No, no, no. Can you go to that other structure, other file? Can you go to that? Yeah. Here. No, no. You have not defined. Yeah, L parameter is there, right?
Yes,
No,
sir.
no,
Yes.
no. Path parameter something. Can you come down? Can you click on that? Double
Even.
click. Yeah. Define brick. Can you go to that
Yes,
first
sir.
brick? Length. Can you go to that? No. Double click on that. Define brick. Define brick.
Okay.
Yeah. I can't
Yes,
double
sir.
click. C by 2 is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So now what you do is, see, C by 2 is the width you are calculating, right?
Yes, sir.
That what you have to do is, see, you have to define as a one parameter, okay? Like
Okay.
L itself, okay? Instead of
Okay.
C by 2, what you
Okay.
do is, see, if C is, for example, 2 mm, L is 10
Okay.
mm means, what is C now? L by 5.
Yes, sir.
That's all, okay?
Okay.
That way
Okay.
you can do it, okay?
Okay, only I can do only L point of view.
Yeah, all parameters should be in terms of L. Okay, then only you can it will
Okay,
work.
for designing purpose, I am taking any random values and defining a new
Yeah,
parameter.
yeah.
Okay,
Otherwise, what you can do? Yeah. That's why. Okay.
okay,
Then you do that, it will work. Okay.
okay, sir. Sure, sir. Sure. Now I can. Now I
Okay.
understand.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. So if you are getting any doubt now, later we can have another.
Sure,
Okay.
sure, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, I will share the that recorded video, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Bye.